Hi everyone, welcome to the Bella's Blueprint. Today we'll be diving into the beginner's guide to streaming. If you've ever wanted to start streaming and you don't know how to or where to start and all of that, this video is for you. So I'm going to be walking you through everything you need, from the equipment you need to tips and how to get confident or how to be confident when you are online or when you are streaming. First of all, what is streaming? Let's put it like this. In a simpler form, streaming is a way of broadcasting yourself live online. So basically, you could stream anything. You can stream yourself cooking, dancing, and even gaming. And the most popular streaming platform, we all know TikTok, we all know Instagram Live. Just choose a platform that actually suits your interests and where your audience actually hang out. So now let's talk about what you really need. So first of all, you need a device, a smartphone. It could be a computer, it could be an iPad, a tablet, whatever type of device that has camera. And also a device that gives you control. The one that accepts application. You could download application and you could access your camera and the microphone of your phone or whatever device. You also need a good lightning as well as a good internet connection, because this is something that has to do with online. So has to do with online and the internet. So you need a good data connection. Don't worry if you don't really have this fancy startup plan. You could just start with whatever thing you have. Let's start off with your phone and then make good use of natural light so you're able to get like a good lightning device and all. First of all, you have to create an account on any of the platform you decide to stream on. And secondly, you have to brand or make your profile look good. You could add your brand, like you could add something you do most time on your live stream, and you could add fun things on your bio, like it could really attract audience. And then the next thing you do is to do like a test run to check if your camera, your mic, and all of that is actually functioning properly. Also, if the platform that you downloaded is for earning, you basically need to check your profile or your settings to know if your profile is monetized or available to earn from that particular platform. Here are a few tips that could actually attract your viewers or grow your audience. And we have one, you picking your theme for your stream, for your live stream. It could be that you are chatting or you are gaming or you are actually teaching a skills. Secondly, you have to create a streaming time so your viewers could know when to tune in. Engage with your audience by chatting or responding to their question. This is just to make them feel that, oh, they are involved, and this would really grow your audience, especially on your live stream. Lastly, you could also promote your stream on other social media platforms. Streaming is not really hard. I mean, when you start from the beginning, it's more like, oh this, oh that, you know the vibe when you start something from the beginning. So with little or more practice, you're actually going to get used to it. You could also be able to know how to entertain your audience and as well making good money from it. So with just the right tools, the equipment, and a little more practice and more practice and more practice, you're good to go. Well, if you like this information and you do want more, because more are going to be coming on my page, please do well to like, share, and subscribe to the Bella's Blueprint. Yes, what a unique name. And turn on your notification just for the next update or the next video so you don't miss out all this information. I mean, who doesn't want to make money? If you have a question, you could drop it in the comment section, and see you guys in my next video, and happy streaming.